Hello everyone. In this video, we will be learning about calculating tables up to 1000 by using Vedic Maths method. This Vedic Maths technique is very much helpful as it decreases the time for our calculation that we do on an everyday basis. In this method, we will be learning tables up to 100 and at the end of the video, you will be able to calculate tables up to 1000. Kids from class 5 onwards should practice this method. Now let's see an example of multiplication tables up to 100 where we need to multiply 89 with 9. Now the first step is to multiply 9 and 8 together, which gives us 72. Now this 72 is not actually just 72. It's 720 because 8 here is at tens place. So it becomes 720. Now 9 and 9 multiplied by 9 is 81. This remains same because 9 is at ones place. Now these two are actually intermediary answers to reach the final answer. We need to add 720 and 81 together to get the final answer of 801. Now one thing you should observe here is that this ones place will always be 0, which means we do not need to do the whole addition like this. We can just add 72 and 8 together to get 80 and add the 1 here to the rightmost place. So it becomes 801. Let's see one more example where we need to multiply 68 with 6. Now 6 multiplied with 6 gives us 36, which is actually 360. And 6 multiplied with 8 gives us 48. Now I am skipping this step and jumping towards this. Now here 36 plus 4 is 40 and 8 I write as it is. So 68 multiplied with 6 becomes 408. Now let's take an example where we are calculating tables up to 1000. Now you can follow the same method where 654 when multiplied by 3. So let's multiply 3 with 6, which is 180, but actually it is 1800. 3 multiplied by 5 is 15, but actually it's 150. 3 multiplied by 4 is 12, and you need to add these intermediary steps to get your final answer as 1962. So similarly we can do for any number and get our tables up to 1000. I hope you understood the method and enjoyed learning. Thank you.